Hi, this is Jose with Scotia, and I'd like to introduce you to our MagicMount Pro2 flush mount. This magnetic flush mount securely holds your phone so that you can view it and use it hands-free just about anywhere. Extra powerful, 100% device-safe neodymium magnet securely holds most phone brands, models, and sizes using the provided magic plate. It also holds all Apple iPhone 12 series and later with no magic plate needed. This allows you to mount your phone at any angle. Automotive-grade adhesive provides a strong hold to any flat surface. Just peel the backing and place the mount where you need it. Perfect for use on boats, in RVs, or kitchens, garages, or workshops to hold your phone, keys, tools, and more.